did the other day regarding Cornice and when you're joining new to old. So we actually get a pencil, we mark like this, then we cut it, and then that one slides in. You always want to check them beforehand. We know that's going to join nicely, then we fill that a few times, and that's how you get a good join. And this is the existing. This was built, this is a fairly new house, probably within the last 10 years, but there's like always a gap. It doesn't matter. This is so strong, I'm not gonna like bust this corner out, but like, it's not going anywhere. You're not gonna get smoke going in, you're not gonna get, nothing's gonna happen. People don't change their minds. I've heard some comments where people go, what if they change their mind after a couple of years and they want it square set? That just doesn't really happen. People order this when they get a house built. So it's very fast, so your sheets normally stack like too high. It doesn't go all the way to the top, and that's why you have Cornice, because it seals that up nicely. You put screws behind it, you can have all of this mess behind it, and this just seals it up. So we prepped another one in here. See this part, you haven't seen this part yet. We had to replace a fair bit here. We had to bring the sheets around to here. So, I mean, we could have gone right to the corner there. We probably should have. But anyway. And that just joins perfectly like that. Right along. So you won't notice it. We'll cover up all of this mess. And I did the same thing on that side. Pretty nice. That's it. I'll show you. We'll put it up.